Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel for another exciting video. I hope you're all doing great in this warm and humid weather. Remember to drink plenty of water and try to stay indoors when possible. Today I wanted to introduce you all to my feathered friends, so I decided to make a video on them. My journey with birds began nearly 11 months ago जब मेरी cousin ने मुझे एक Australian budgie का chick लाके दिया. Ever since then, I've become fascinated by these birds and have been gathering different varieties. So let's go. So, starting with the lovebirds, I call them my lovebirds league. I decided to give them a collective name because ये इतने सारे हैं कि मुझे हर किसी को नाम दिया नहीं जा रहा था. Anyway, among these lovebirds, there are green fishes with green bodies and orange heads, the blue fisheries split ino with blue bodies, and the violet fisheries in a violet hue. The albino lovebird is white, and the parblue split ino has a blue body with a yellow head. This one in the front is parblue. This parblue and the white one, they're a pair. And I was told ये बहुत अच्छे chicks produce करते हैं. So basically they're total 14 in number and ये मुझे बहुत reasonable price पे मिल गए थे, इसलिए मैंने ये सारे ले लिए थे with the cage. Here's a view of their cage for you. Moving on to the first section of my master cage. In this I have got 6 Australian budgies including 2 Hogoromo varieties, and the white one is their offspring. This is the pair, the yellow one is the male and the white one or the cream one is the female. And this little one marks my first successful breeding experience at home. ये उन दोनों का बच्चा है and I've named him Hugo. I will share with you guys इसकी पूरी journey in the next video. This is the normal Australian budgies trio. इन दोनों में से the blue one is a pair. And I think yellow one is a third wheeler, or maybe she just likes being single. Just kidding, I'll get her a partner very soon, inshallah. This is the second compartment of my master cage where I've housed another group of Australian budgies, predominantly the Hogoromos with double flower pattern. This is again a recent purchase and ये lovebird league के साथ आए थे. I've bought them from a friend जिन्होंने इसको बहुत ही प्यार के साथ रखा हुआ था. इनका size, color combination, pattern, everything is great. This one was a baby and unfortunately ये survive नहीं किया मेरे पास. गर्मी काफ़ी थी इसलिए वो survive नहीं कर सका. ये वीडियो मैंने पहले रिकॉर्ड की थी but it has passed away recently. So there were a total of 8 budgies in this compartment, जिसमें से अब only 7 are left. Now comes the third compartment of my master cage where I have kept 2 lovebirds, blue fisheries, and I call them lovey-dovey. I bought them when they were around a month old and I've raised them on hand feed. But unfortunately ये इतने ज़्यादा tame नहीं हुए मेरे साथ because clinic की वजह से मैं इनको time नहीं दे पाती थी. However, they're very clever and of course very adorable. Now comes the fourth and the last compartment from the master cage. Isme I have a pair of grey cocktails which are untamed. This was a gift from my cousin who had these. The female is very shy and timid but the male is kinda interactive. अब थोड़े used to हो गए हैं तो हाथ से धनिया वगैरह ले लेते हैं. And no, they haven't laid any eggs abhi tak, so no offsprings. दिस इज़ द फीमेल के जो कलर्स हैं दे आर मोर म्यूटेड एंड जो मेल होता है उसके कलर्स दे आर मोर वाइब्रेंट. These are my finches, which are again a recent purchase. I've kept them in a very beautiful antique style wooden cage that I stole from my mamu. ये मेरे मामू ने बहुत संभाल के रखे हुए थे अपने कॉलेज टाइम से. When I went to their house, I saw this cage and fell in love with it. I decided to keep finches in it since it's a wooden cage and lovebirds or Australians ने इसकी wood ख़राब कर देनी थी. So I have a total of 6 finches in this, 1 pair of strawberry finches, 1 pair of Bengalis and 1 pair of zebra finches. वीडियो में मे बी आइडिया ना हो रहा हो बट दीज आर वेरी टाइनी एंड ऑफ कोर्स वेरी क्यूट एज वेल. आई ऑल्सो हैड अ पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रॉबेरी फिंचेस जो बहुत प्यारी सीटी मारती थी बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ समर्स दे डाइड. खैर अभी तक तो आई हैवंट हर्ड द स्ट्रॉबेरी पेयर सिंगिंग. होपफुली वंस दे गेट फुली यूज्ड टू द एनवायरनमेंट दे विल स्टार्ट. These are my Australian budgies. It's a family of 4. They used to be in the compartment number 1 with the other budgies, but जब इसके बच्चे हुए तो दूसरे Australians, especially the Hogoromos, उनको मारते थे. This pair had a total of 4 chicks, out of which only 2 survived. वो भी इसलिए because मैंने इनको अलग कर दिया था as soon as I noticed it. I will share a video of how wounded they were and what I did to save them in some other video. However, these chicks are my cuties and ये मेरे से used to be हैं, as in if I put my hand inside the cage तो ये डरते नहीं हैं. बाकी they've been raised by their parents. मैंने इनको अलग नहीं किया था. This is another green Australian budgies pair in a separate cage. I call them Bubble and Bubbly. Again, I've had them since they were very young and just look at this motu. ये बहुत cute सा गोल सा है माशाल्लाह. I will also share the videos of when they were young and came to me. This is Toto, my semi-tamed lovebird, a green fisher. यह अकेले रहता है and इसका अपना cute सा cage है which he loves. Toto mostly खुला रहता है in my room and is also a bit shy. I say it's semi-tamed because he is used to me. डरता नहीं है मेरे से but मेरे पास बैठता भी नहीं है. Like he just flies away. I'm also planning on getting a partner for him very soon. तो मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ कि अगर मुझे कोई अच्छा मिल जाए. Oh, these are my cutest and the most friendliest pair of common cocktails, Cleo and Flecked. Both are males and are super handful. I've raised them both on hand feed and ये मेरे रूम में खुले रहते थे. अब जाकर मैंने इनको केज की थोड़ी बहुत आदत डाली है. But they're adorable and really good singers as well. They know 3 different types of songs and are always learning new things. I'll share a video जिसमें they're singing with you guys very soon. The moment I enter in my room ये मेरे सर या शोल्डर पर चढ़ के बैठ जाते हैं और फिर उतरते ही नहीं हैं. इनकी हरकतें are very cute. इनफैक्ट सबसे क्यूट हरकतें हैं ही इन्हीं की. This is my Alexandrian Raw and we call him Katu. The name is so funny. I wonder why my mom called him this. ये जब छोटू सा था तो ये बहुत अजीब weird सी आवाज़ें निकालता था and my mama never liked it. It's again semi-tamed. इसको मैं टाइम नहीं दे सकी इस वजह से ये fully tamed नहीं हुआ. But it's cool. मेरे पास आता नहीं है but हाथ लगाने देता है. Overall he's a nice and calm parrot now. एंड ये भी सुबह से बस खुला रहता है और रात में जाके बंद होता है. Here comes Georgie, again my sweetheart I've raised on hand feed. इसकी भी पूरी journey up till now I'll share with you guys very soon. Georgie is a yellow ringneck and the second parrot I've raised on hand feed. Georgie is not fly tamed but paas bithao to bed jata, and sometimes he would just come to me and pull my trousers so that I pick him up. And then he would just keep sitting on my shoulder. It's a properly tamed parrot. He also loves to sit on Wilbur's cage. सब बस इधर उधर ही बैठे होते हैं, but not in their own cages. Wilbur likes to sit in Georgie's cage and Georgie in Wilbur's, and बस इसी तरह से लगा रहता है. Now meet my last parrot, the one and only Wilbur. Wilbur is an African grey parrot, and again I've raised him on hand feed. He came to me when he was around 1.5 months old, and ये मेरा बहुत ही लाडला बेबी है, and the clingiest one too. एक बार आ जाए मेरे पास तो जाता ही नहीं है, plus इसके nails are razor sharp, तो मुझे scratches पड़ जाते हैं, but it's okay. But still he is the closest to my heart. He has also just recently started talking and keeps babbling all the time, which is obviously very adorable for me. Iski bhi puri journey I'll share in the coming videos. I'm sure you guys will also find it very cute. So that's it. These are all the birds I have right now, and I'll update you if I get more. Keeping all these birds and parrots makes me super happy and distracted as well. Each day I fall in love with them even more. They're a part and parcel of my life, and I can't imagine life without them. Please say mashallah and pray for their well-being. Stay connected for more videos like these, and don't forget to subscribe and like our content. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.